in the past 3 months has gotten over 51,000 clicks just from. In the past 90 days, this website has gotten over 81,000 total clicks and 11 million impressions. But as you can see, this is specifically for web. So this is when people search up on Google and they click our URLs and go over to our website. That is considered a click. But there's actually other ways in which you can get traffic. Most SEO guys focus on web clicks, but you can actually get clicks from other places like images, video, and news. If we go over to images, we can see that this website in the past 3 months has gotten over 51,000 clicks just from images. So that's 51,000 new potential visitors going over to your website just from images that you've posted. In the past 28 days, we've gotten over 14,000 clicks and 4.7 million impressions just from images. So if we go down to our queries, we'll be able to see what queries are bringing in clicks from images. So we can see that this is different medical conditions. If we go over to those blog posts, we can actually see the images embedded into those blog posts. So the way that this works is someone goes on Google, and because it's image first query and Google tries its best to show the best possible search result for that user. So if they include pictures or images within their search query, of course, they're going to show them pictures and images. And as you can see here, our client's website is ranked number 1 and number 2 for these images. So people naturally are going to click on that image, and then what they're going to do is they're going to want to read more, so they're naturally going to click over to your website. So this is an easy way for you to get more clicks over to your website. So if you go back over to our Google Search Console, we'll be able to see the queries again and the pages. So if you go ahead and take a look at any of these pages, the crazy part is that we did not intentionally try to get image clicks. We naturally got image clicks because we created high quality content and we created high quality images. So if you take a look at these images, these are really good high quality images that you can actually create automatically. You don't have to manually create these images. We use my tool WordRocket, and we generated the articles with the custom images throughout the articles. And because the images were so in-depth and they were useful to the actual article itself, those images were then picked up by Google. So if you wanted to generate images automatically within your article to help you get more clicks on images, you can use WordRocket for yourself if you haven't tried it out before. I've actually went ahead and created a skill that audits your websites and find opportunities for image clicks or video clicks. If you want to get this complete skill, comment images below and I'll send it over to you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. As you can see, there's other ways in which you can get clicks over to your website other than directly from the web. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.